Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the Rogers apartment building located in Kingston, Jamaica. Now this is a very special building because it is now the tallest building in Jamaica. Before this building, which is going to be 20 floors, it was the Pegasus, which stands at 17 floors. But this building, that's the 18th floor that you're looking at, and they're moving on to the 19th floor. So this is the tallest building in Jamaica. Now you're going to have 100 luxury apartments or units in this building. Now you have some 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and then you're going to have penthouses. So I've always wondered what the units cost. So we looked into it and we're going to give you guys an update. So you have 1 bedroom units starting at 225,000 and they go up to 375,000. And those units are located on the 1st floor to the 18th floor. Then you have 2 bedroom units. Those start at 324,000 and go up to 410,000 US dollars. And those are also located on the 1st floor through to the 18th floor. And then you have the 3 bedroom units. Now these are located between the 4th floor and the 8th floor. And these go for 335,000 to 360,000 US. I don't have a price on the penthouse, but based on these prices, it's reasonable. So this building is to be completed in 2024. It's going to have 20 floors, 100 units, and 124 parking spaces. It's actually going to have underground parking. So this is a very nice building, and it's the first, and as of today, the only 20-floor building in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.